Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the PL 2860. I don't know if that meant anything, but look at what I got here. I got a whole bunch, probably 15 of these things. These are little ruler things, little pocket rulers. Let me show you guys what. We'll take one out here. Oh, here's one that's already out of a package. Oh, here, I'll take out another one. I dropped part of it. Okay, so here we go. So we have it, and it's in a little plastic pouch here. And how does it open? I guess we just have to break through to get it out. Okay, so here we go. And we can get it out of the package. And I'll show you guys what this little ruler looks like. It's really cool looking. It's nice. It's metal, so it's not going to do too much expansion and contraction or whatever. And I guess this is a little hook, so you could clip it onto your pocket or whatever. But if you look at it, it's got, I'm guessing these are probably centimeters and then inches. Centimeters on the bottom, inches on the top. Can you see that? There we go. So it's got that. And then on the back, we have a metric equivalence. Use sliding clip as a depth gauge. Oh, so you can use this as a depth gauge. So you can put this in something and see how deep it is. So then you'll know that that is like 4 inches or whatever. And then here is the things there. You can see kind of explains what it is. So how cool is that? It's a nice little metal ruler, and it goes to a total of 6 inches, made out of stainless steel. Nice, convenient to have, so definitely good. I like it. Thumbs up.